Welcome back, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, we have an exciting topic that has the potential to change your life: launching a profitable Shopify dropshipping business. In this step-by-step guide, we'll take you through the entire process, from start to finish, and equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. So grab a pen and paper. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Niche selection. The first crucial step is to choose a profitable niche. Research popular trends, explore your passions, and identify a niche with high demand and low competition. Remember, the more specific, the better. Step 2. Product research. Once you have your niche, it's time to find winning products. Utilize market research tools like Google Trends and social media platforms to identify products that align with your niche and have a track record of success. Step 3. Setting up your Shopify store. Now that you have your niche and products, it's time to create your online store. Sign up for a Shopify account and start customizing your store's appearance, adding essential pages like the home page, product pages, and an About Us page. Step 4. Compelling product descriptions. One of the keys to attracting customers is through persuasive product descriptions. Highlight the unique selling points, benefits, and features of your products. High-quality product photos are essential to showcase your items effectively. Step 5. Branding and store design. Create a memorable brand identity for your store. Design a logo, choose a color scheme, and ensure your store's overall aesthetic is consistent with your niche and target audience. Step 6. Payment and shipping setup. It's time to handle the logistical aspects of your business. Set up reliable payment gateways, configure shipping options, and establish clear policies to provide a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Step 7. Marketing your store. Now that your store is ready, it's time to drive traffic and generate sales. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes social media marketing, influencer collaborations, content marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience effectively. Step 8. Analyzing and optimizing. Keep a close eye on your store's performance using analytics tools provided by Shopify. Track metrics like conversion rates, customer behavior, and traffic sources. This data will help you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Step 9. Customer support and satisfaction. Providing excellent customer support is crucial for your business's success. Respond to inquiries promptly, address concerns, and strive to exceed customer expectations. Happy customers lead to positive reviews and repeat purchases. Step 10. Scaling your business. Congratulations! Your dropshipping business is thriving. Now it's time to scale up. Expand your product offerings, explore new marketing channels, and optimize your operations to handle increased order volumes. And there you have it, fellow entrepreneurs, our step-by-step guide to launching a profitable Shopify dropshipping business. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. Don't be afraid to take risks, and always provide value to your customers. Now go out there and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, keep hustling and stay motivated. See you in the next video.